sides of these exits may be used as rafts. Your life jacket is located under your seat in the economy cabin and to the side of your seat in the Falcon Gold cabin. When instructed, remove the life jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten it firmly to secure. Inflate your life jacket only when you leave the aircraft. To inflate, pull down sharply on the red toggles or blow into the tube. Infant and child life jackets will be provided and must be inflated before leaving the aircraft. Smoking is strictly prohibited on board. This includes electronic cigarettes. All lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. Tampering with the